Gilded facades, a majestic scene. Stylish figures dressed up just so, where the bronze children put on a show. Church bells are chiming a joyful sound, the most relaxing adventure in Guangzhou found.
You ready for today's adventure? Oh yeah, you look ready.
This is Shamian Island.
So I need you to do a quick vibe check. Look at this, the architecture, the cobblestones, and it's the city's best kept secret when you need your brain to be quiet from.
It's overwhelming.
Well, that. The number one industry here at Shamian Island happens to be dramatic romance. I have seen no less than 5 couples literally getting ready to star in their own dramatic romance, their own historical reenactment. I feel really underdressed in my t-shirt and the sunglasses. This place makes you feel like you should be holding parchment scrolls or challenging someone to a duel. The real magic is the pace of life here.
I think it's all about like the buildings, architecture, and the old style of French and British architects. I think that's why you should watch, and also the skill. But there's so many skills. Every walk. Happy hour. Your favorite hour. A happy hour.
Bronze ghost posted on the pavement, a whole different statement. Old world meets the new age, flipping through a dusty page. French lens captures the frame, bringing life to a history book's name. Children frozen in a memory, playing games for all to see. Families locked in thought, the lessons that the past has brought. This cultural fusion's real, it's how you know exactly how the island feels. It's a Bronze Age story, Shamian. Yeah, a Bronze Age story, Shamian.
And here there's leisure games, Tai Chi, nap. It's like the entire island has a collective deep breath together.
Step inside the Starbucks Reserve, take a break from the Guangzhou serve. Old colonial charm, got that premium vibe for sure.
Shamian Island serenity got me feeling so alive. Sipping on a delicious fruit smoothie, what a perfect vibe.
What? No way. Let me try it.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's so rich. Oh, that's so good.
I never drink like Starbucks and tasted this like the fruit so strongly.
I guess that's what reserves mean. Only the best quality artificial flavor. This is blackberry tea. Not bad. Tastes like tea and blackberry.
I drink all the drink with my husband.
Shamian Island found a moment in the space. Goose yellow chapel got that color and that grace. French colonial lines on a sacred design. In a bustling city, the serenity shines. Taking photos of a landmark in time, a peaceful escape that's truly divine. Our Lady of Lourdes Chapel, yeah, Our Lady of Lourdes Chapel.
So do you know why that is a pine cone on top of the statue?
No.
Because it represents the third eye.
Open your eyes.
The pineal gland, why Hindus have the bindi in their forehead, and Ash Wednesday for Christians represents the third eye, yeah, the pineal gland. That's why a lot of architecture have that kind of stuff, represents knowledge. So should people come to Shamian Island?
I mean, if you like watch from outside and just walk, I think it's a good spot to visit. But I feel like if you are here, you need to do it. Like, yeah. I feel like it's something that you need to, like, you know, take it off the list, because it's one of the most important spots to visit here. But there's nothing like very special about it, except it's like a huge park, European huge park.
I think it's good to like decompress from all the busyness of the city, get away, because it's like slowed down.
All the business, like a lot of people, but like there's less sound, like when you're outside. Yeah. For example, when you were in Beijing roof, was really loud. Yeah, you're right. I feel like it's more down.
So futuristic towers and the wholesale market feels like sensory overload. Remember, peace, quiet, and a historical drama are just one bridge away.
It's the ultimate palette cleanser.
10 out of 10.
Shamian Island, let the camera pan. See the history written by another land. Euro-style facades, a colonial ghost town. Statues of bronze heroes holding the crown. Sacred Heart Cathedral, the stained glass gleaming. While my mind's on the next clip, yeah, I'm already scheming. So hit that little thumb and subscribe for the ride. Got the whole city of Guangzhou opening wide. Next episode dropping a nocturnal vision. Party pier after dark, a lyrical collision.
Yeah, party pier, coming soon.